Hi friends! This is Krishna, I'm 10, and I'm here with...
my little sister Gianna.
She's 4. As you saw in the thumbnail, today we've made...
a teddy bear.
Yeah, you had a lot of fun making this teddy bear, right? Okay. So if you want to make this teddy bear, then make sure you could watch the video to find out how to make it. And make sure to...
subscribe.
like and subscribe. Okay, do you want to say anything?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to talk about?
Like, sometimes this drawing turned out really opposites of I grew up my teddy bear 10 years old and my sister puts it 4 years old. It looks like that, but this teddy bear looks super big. With so many clouds, 3 clouds in grass, I do everything is perfect. I don't know why, but something I like to draw more, but I don't like to do the round thing making it, but I like to color a bit. Sometimes my hand hurts.
Your hand hurts?
Yeah, sometimes. And something I draw. I know in the video I draw that bunny with 2 kids. But I think I'll draw Halloween trick or treat. Well, I don't know how to make a pumpkin or anything, but to make sure when my friends does make things, we go for Halloween because it's almost Halloween day.
Okay.
And some days I just love to make everything like videos. But I don't myself do well. I wasn't surprised because my mom gave day and I don't know why. And we got to do it because I can draw everything like it.
Okay, that was so amazing. Okay, let's start drawing and let's begin. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe.
Friends, let's go start drawing.
Okay, open your marker. Okay.
I think yeah.
First, we're gonna draw the teddy bear's nose. We're gonna draw a little triangle,
I
okay?
don't have to make a triangle.
Yeah, but it's a different triangle. We're gonna make a line there. Wait.
Here.
Here to here. Good job. Then we're gonna make a little pointy to make it look like a triangle. Ooh, you have a big nose. And then
Teddy bears have a big nose.
Then we're gonna make a loop over there.
Oh, I know how to.
Wait. So go there and like that. Good job. And then yeah, same thing on the other side. Then we're gonna make the bear's muzzle. Do you know what a muzzle is? It's like where your nose is. It's kind of like that.
I want to make a tongue.
Yep.
I'm gonna make a line. That's his tongue.
Now we're gonna make a circle. Circle. Wait. So you start from here. Make sure you make a tiny circle. Okay? Good job. Okay. Now we're gonna make the head. Or actually, we're gonna make the eyes first. We're gonna make one tiny circle here and another tiny circle here.
Here or here?
We're gonna make it on the outside over here. Good job. Now we're gonna make...
And that looks like eyes.
We're gonna make 2 circles on the inside for the shinies. Oh, it's okay. You colored in the wrong part, but that's fine. And if you want, you can color in that whole circle and you can make another U shape for a big circle. So you color that in. Yeah, color it in. And then, perfect. Good job.
Looks like eyes there.
Okay. Now we're going to make the teddy bear's face.
Yay.
So you know how we made an oval over here? We're gonna make another oval over here. Good job. You have a big oval. Okay. Now we're gonna make the teddy bear's ears.
Oh, I love ears.
We're gonna make
Oopsie.
one curve here
One curve here.
and another curve here.
Another triangle here.
It's not a triangle.
I call it a triangle.
Then we do another curve on the inside.
We do another square, this.
And then we do the same thing again.
we do the same thing in the sides of the triangle.
Okay. Now we're gonna make a little bow tie over here.
The bow tie.
One circle. We're gonna make a bow. One tiny circle. And then one line up.
One line up.
Another line up.
Another line up.
And then one line down.
One line down.
Another line down here.
Another line down here.
And then we make that.
Then we make.
Good job. I love your bow.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Thank you, Dina.
Now we're going to make the teddy bear's hands. We're going to make one curve over here.
One curve over here.
One curve here.
One curve here.
And then we're going to extend a line down here. We're going to make a line over there. Perfect.
And it's our hands.
Now we're going to make the teddy bear's legs. So the teddy bear is going to be sitting down. Okay?
Like what are the her hands?
Yeah, that's her hand. So we're going to make one circle here.
One here.
Huh?
Here.
Wait. So we make a circle over here.
Like here.
Yeah. Good job. I love you.
It's trying.
Okay. Then we'll make another circle over here. Make sure it doesn't touch the other leg. Good job. Then we're going to connect the two legs.
Connect the two legs. Why?
Huh?
Why?
So then it looks like a body. Then we're going to make a circle on the inside of the legs.
Make a giant circle. Oops.
It's fine. Yeah, and then on the other leg.
I'm a tiny one now.
Now we're going to make the bear's belly. We're going to make one rainbow line. It's a U. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to add 2 lines for the toes. I mean, not toes, hands. Fingers. And last of all, we're going to add the tail. We're going to add the tail. We're going to add one little circle there.
Little circle here.
And if you want, you can add little squiggly lines for grass. So the bear is sitting on some grass. Okay, now we're all done with our bear. Yeah, close up your markers. And now, it's your favorite part, right?
Yeah, drawing.
No. Coloring.
Drawing and coloring.
No, they're both different.
That's not.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward this part, so make sure you pause if you need to. The colors we'll be using is pink, sometimes black if you want to.
I like brown.
We're gonna use skin tone or tan, this light brown, blue, and green.